Why would you ask this?
I'm not even bothered to name and shame.
My mum's gonna watch this video.
I can't.
Hello, hey, welcome back. I don't know.
That's not the intro.
Hello, Groovy Girlies.
So Groovy Girlies, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm joined today by the sisters. We're going to be testing each other, and this is a game of say it or shot it. Basically, you have to roll the dice if you don't want to answer your question, and whatever number it lands on, you have to drink the shot. So what we have, we've got Cheerio because we thought we'd put in a nice one because the rest of them are ram.
Then we have blackcurrant juice. Then we had some lemon, some dark soy sauce.
So we also have some Worcestershire sauce, courtesy of my area.
We have some malt vinegar, farm food.
So yeah, let's go on with the video. Oh my god! You cut it off. You're out the band. You're out the brand. Your name's Kevin Jonas. We don't want you in the band any longer.
Well, I'm first up. Oh, okay. Quite simple. Is there anyone that you're talking to currently that nobody knows about? And if so, who? No, I'm not. That is such a lie. I'm not talking to anyone. You're talking to someone from Tinder, so... actually, he's stopped messaging me. Well, you were talking to him, so that's a lie, so you're going to have to do a shot, I'm afraid. It wasn't a lie, because I wasn't talking to him, it was just having a conversation.
Well, that's what I meant, so take a shot.
Specify, yeah. When you're talking to someone, it's like, you know, on the verge of getting there. But it wasn't on the verge of getting there. But it was, because you met him on Tinder, so... It was like, drink.
Two. Oh,
it's lemon juice.
It's not too bad. It's about happy fruit.
I go next?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm scared. I am actually scared.
So, I'm gonna go first with the question. I'm nervous for you.
I already know what one of them is, and that's the one I'm waiting for. Ooh.
In the end of 2016, what did you and your boyfriend get scared about?
I don't even know this. I don't know why.
It was a big deal. Soccer 6.
Hey?
Kidding. If you can't remember, you're gonna have to shot.
I don't even know.
I can't believe you can't
The end
remember.
2016.
You were your boy.
Well, we all know who he went out with. Yeah. I'm guessing maybe then it was that I was pregnant.
Yeah, there we go.
Hey. My mum was gonna watch this video.
Yeah. Oh my god, that means it's me.
Yeah, it does.
Oh god. Oh no, I'm actually so nervous that I'm gonna be sick. Right. Oh no, oh my god. I literally can't breathe.
Right. Are you ready?
No, I'm really not.
So, by this point, we all know that you slept with Spencer. But is there another YouTuber or influencer that we don't know about? Name and shame.
You know I'm gonna have to drink for that.
Exactly. I mean, you could tell us.
I can't.
For his sake, I can't.
Oh, for God's sake, Jasmine. One.
Oh, you've got blackcurrant juice. That's alright.
Oh, that's alright. Okay. Why am I shaking so much?
Right.
Sorted. If you could date one UK YouTuber, who would it be?
There's not many, like, boy YouTubers. I'm trying to think.
I probably spoke to them all, so just be careful.
No, it wouldn't be anyone who I know that's boy YouTubers.
You can get a list if you'd like.
Yeah, I mean, if you want me to pick out. So, the social climbers, maybe? Is Jacob a social climber? Because I'd say Jacob.
I thought you'd say Jacob.
Well, I'm the closest to Jacob out of them all, so Jacob.
There we go. That's your questions in.
Perfect one for me to ask. Have you ever slept with your best friend's ex-boyfriend? Not ex-boyfriend, but like friend. Oh, that sounds so bad. Oh. But it's a friend. It's a friend. No, like they were. Oh, so I sound so bad saying this. What's the dirtiest thing someone has said to you during sex?
Why are you guys just saying the best ones for me? Like, I didn't even go in on you that hard.
Well,
why am I not about sex? You paint me out really bad. Nan, I'm really sorry.
Oh, you're gonna tell us?
Oh, there's a few though.
Well, just pick one. Pick the dirtiest one. Pick the dirtiest.
I don't know. Probably being called like a dirty or something. Or like,
charming.
That's probably the word.
Love that from you. Oh, this next one. It's my head stop. As many people know who follow your YouTube, what happened between you and... Why would you ask this? Well, that is so awkward. So you're just asking about my friendship? What happened? Why do you not post with her anymore? Well, I'm not friends with this person anymore. But what happened? Why aren't you friends? Well, I'm not friends with specific people or group. I can't remember the initial reason, but they used to leave me out.
All your responses have been really sad. I'm just sat here like not knowing any of the answers.
I didn't think you'd answer that one. Yeah. People can probably gather that I'm not friends with that person anymore.
Which sister do you prefer, Lola or Sophie? Remember, one of them is right here.
I'm looking at those shots and I really don't want them. It's like if you had to kill one of us off.
That's basically
that is what the
I'm
question
asking,
is.
yeah.
You've got to save one of us. I can't say. That's a mean.
Roll the dice then.
Roll the dice. Oh, 3. Yes. Ha! That was cherry head in case anyone's wondering. Name and rate the last person you had sexual intercourse with.
Name and rate.
Yeah. So rate them. Like how good they were.
Oh, for goodness sake. It's making me really nervous. I have to shout again! FYI though, I'd give you a 9.
Oh,
what is that?
The Worcester sauce.
Oh, sick! I like Worcester sauce.
Or the soy sauce. I'm not sure. Just spit it out. It's making me feel sick. Get us some water.
You know what? Actually, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, right. She says.
Oh my god, it tastes like salty water. I'm actually shaking, like I'm so nervous. Okay, so Sophie, why do you never upload YouTube videos?
Most of the time, I can't be bothered. That is the truth.
And that is the tea, ladies and gentlemen.
I just can't be bothered sometimes because it's putting all the makeup on and stuff. I was actually going to film this weekend, but my camera battery has disappeared. But I think Jasmine's took it. She said that she hasn't. So I run out of like inspiration and motivation.
That's why we need to move to London, because
whenever I'm in London, I'm inspo.
Exactly, exactly.
Boom, boom, boom. What was the last YouTube beef you were involved in?
I don't know this, so I was just curious.
YouTube beef? I don't think I've ever been in YouTube beef. I don't think I've had a scandal. What's the worst brand you've worked with and why?
Oh, do you know what? I'm not even bothered to name and shame.
Oh?
Hollister, Gilly Hicks, never worked with them. And why is because they told me my photo wasn't pretty enough to post.
Yeah, that is the tea. That is awful.
And the other tea is that they're really bad at paying, like, on time. And I was out on money for 4 months, so thanks.
Interesting.
Good.
Do you wish you weren't a virgin? I mean, I'll answer. I don't think that's a hard question. Right, okay, I'll answer. So, yes and no. Yes, in a sense of that is always the topic of never have I ever drinking game. Everyone plays it and I can't join in. But then, no, because if I was ready, I would have done it by now, do you know what I mean? Whereas it just hasn't happened, so I guess. Bye. What's the most money you've made from a brand deal? 3K.
Oh wow!
Wow!
She said it, guys.
Straight up.
She said it, boys and girls.
That was ages ago as well, like not a recent. What is one sex position you have tried but would never do again? I gave you this one. Mine are very all sex oriented. Yeah. Sorry, man.
There's not really many I don't like.
Oh. No.
To be fair, I'm not a big fan of what you call it.
Doggy.
Yeah. I'm not the biggest fan because I'm not very flexible.
You could have just popped up in like anal.
But I've never done that, so why would
okay.
I know? God, Jazz.
Okay, I thought you had. Right.
Absolutely not. Oh,
so
I've got a question. Let's hope you shot this because I don't know what your answer's going to be. So, out of all of mine and Jasmine's exes, who would you date?
Oh. I don't even know who all your exes are. I know one.
Jazz has got the most.
Okay, no, I wouldn't date any. So does that mean I have to do a shot? Yeah, because you have to say who you would. Sorry, but you don't go for your friends, boyfriends. Tea. What is it? Oh,
malt vinegar, I think. Wow, she did that. Wow, thanks, Soph. Your telling the spot's done.
I'm very truthful and open. What's the most you've been paid for a brand deal?
Okay, so bear in mind, I haven't been on YouTube that long, so 1.5k.
That's still a lot of money. Yeah.
It's still a fair, decent amount, but to say I haven't been doing it that long, I think that's pretty decent. Oh god, I feel ill.
You did it?
My mouth is...
I weren't that bad.
Weren't that bad?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, you rinsed me for filth. Right. Yeah. So, hate you both. Not gonna lie.
You don't have a lot of dirt
You can't talk about much to do with you because you haven't done anything. She's an angel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do want to smash the like button down below, then you know what to do. The subscribe button is also down there if you want to, hit that up too. Social media links will be in the description. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check these both out. Their links will also be in the description. So, ending it on that note. See you next time.
Bye. Subscribe to me on